Good day, Miss Myra. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Madam. I am Myra Quiroz, 35 years old. I'm still single. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. My father are a carpenter and my mother is a housewife. But now they are staying in the house because they are both senior citizens. I am a vocational graduate and I worked as a housemaid before here in the Philippines last 1998 to 2009. And my major duties are taking care of children at the age of 3 to 12 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
Yes, Sir Madam, I can tell you the activities taking care of children. I have to prepare them for meals and send them to school, and I have to play with them and read a storybooks for them.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Yes, Sir Madam, aside from taking care of children, I can do a household chores also. I can cook, I can clean, and I can wash a car.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, Madam, sir.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
I can prepare a Filipino dish, sir, but I also want to learn to cook Chinese dishes.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, ma'am, I can go to the market. I'm ensured that before I go to the market, I have my own list so that I can prepare all that I've been needed.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. The duties and responsibilities of domestic helper is not just by doing a household chores, but also to follow the rules and regulations of our employer.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I really want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to help my family, and of course, they said that Hong Kong is one of the beautiful places.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. Good day again. Once again, this is Myra Quiroz at 35 years old. I hope that you will consider to employ me, and I ensure you that I will do my best to serve your family.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam. I am willing to.
Thank you very much for your season in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you share your best smile?